me. Just another man. Hey. Gotta open up your eyes and see. Oh, well, you're not enough for me.
See, at first I thought it was me, the way you flip your attitude constantly. But I think I finally figured it out that you're the type of man I like to call a spaz. Off, turn on, hot, cold again. But please let me assure you that this is the end of all the lonely nights and the in between. Cause I think you forgot this chick is mean. I never lost my touch, I just gave it to you. But I woke up this morning with a different point of view. Cause I'm a woman, those girls are petty. You just ain't ready for this woman's rock steady. You're not ready, no, you're not ready. You're not ready.